Who, me?
Yes, you. Why aren't you paying attention to me right now?
I don't know. I'm busy, I guess.
Come on, please snap me back, or at least like one of my Instagram pics.
You sound like a needy boyfriend.
Ding! You just got a notification.
No, I didn't. Nothing popped up.
Pete's sake, hide me.
Okay. You heard the phone. Go like my Instagram pics at JuliaGilman. I'm just kidding, guys. Hey people, it's Julia here, back with another video. This video is recreating mind-blowing Instagram or social media makeup looks. Basically, I got really inspired to create some illusions with my makeup based off of social media and like filters, glitches, optical illusions, you know? Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications because I'm gonna be uploading twice a week now, especially with Halloween season coming up. You don't want to miss out on that. And I'm gonna link below the looks I got inspiration from as well as all the makeup I used in this video so you can easily find it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Okay, so for this, we're gonna start priming our face. I'm using the Benefit primer. Now I'm using some foundation and my favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape. Yas, blend that out, yas. Okay, now we're gonna be contouring with a cream contour from NYX. Yes, get that nose, make it look snatched. Give yourself a nose job, please. I wish this would actually work. Okay, so now we're gonna be contouring with the lighter contour color. What? The concealer. Blend that out. Snatch that nose, Julia. Yes, okay. Now I'm gonna be setting that with some Too Faced powder. Now for the brows, brushing them up, and then I'm just filling them in. Now I am setting them because they move around a lot, you know. Now we're gonna prime my eyes. And using the Patrick Star MAC palette quad. What? Doing that for the eyeshadows. Okay, I'm getting like anxious. It's just moving so fast. I'm linking all the stuff in the description so you guys know. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight my inner tear ducts and my under the brow with Anastasia brow. What? No, sorry, Anastasia highlight. See, this is getting to me. Okay, taking my Too Faced, I am now contouring with my bronzer because it matches my skin tone pretty well, you know what I mean? And doing a winged eyeliner. You gotta do that to look snatched because this is a very snatched filter. Just putting some mascara. Okay, now I'm putting on false lashes because this stuff, you know, to match the filter. And the freckles from the filter. I use my eyebrow pencil and the cream contour for the freckles. Now we're doing some overlining for the lips and some lip gloss. And now take the hair out. You gotta get the clip. I got it from Amazon. I'm linking it down below for you guys. Yay, I'm actually the Snapchat filter. Oh my god. Oh, that wink though. Hey guys, it's Julia here, and in today's video, we're gonna do makeup on our face. I know, so I never saw makeup on my face before. So priming my face with the Benefit primer, same primer, same foundation. This stuff is great, loves it. Same concealer as before. You know, when you love a good product, you just want to keep using it over and over again. So we're just blending it out by Beauty Blender, setting up the Too Faced powder, same shebang as before, filling in my eyebrows. And now we're gonna be priming the eyelids, and things are gonna be changing up pretty soon because it's time to do the actual brows for the Pixelation. So I'm gonna be drawing squares with my brow pencil and then moving on, I guess, to the the eyeshadow. So doing one eye normal and then one eye with squares because Pixelation, you know, you already know. Blend that out. Okay. Now for the brow highlight color and the other side. Okay, so now we're doing the skin. So I'm taking a light concealer, a darker concealer, another lighter concealer. We're just doing squares all over with different color concealers. I just have a bunch of concealers, I guess. And then once I do all the highlight points lighter and the skin tone points more, I guess my skin tone, then I'm gonna do the contour points with my contour colors and just do different shades of contour. You just kind of want to do different different square shapes and stuff. Oh, I forgot to set my eyebrow, I guess. Okay. Now for the eyeliner, we're gonna do some wing liner, and of course we're dotting it, so you know, we get the pixelation in there. And highlight the other side of my face. Finish that off with some contour. Now we're gonna prime the nose for the rainbow spinning wheel of death. So we're gonna be taking rainbow eyeshadows and just applying it on the area that we primed in a rainbow formation, you know. Now I'm taking my NYX gel liner and drawing little like movements to make it look like it's spinning. Then I'm gonna line one half of my lips normal and just apply a liquid lipstick from NYX. And then the other side, we're gonna do squares again, using all different shapes and colors and sizes for this. Yes. And a few white squares in there to give it dimension. And then some mascara to the lashes. And then false lashes, of course, of course, of course. And that is the look, guys. Thanks so much for watching the tutorial. Let me know if you did. On my next video. Bye! Oh my god, I am so doing this look. So we're gonna start off by taping off a square around my eye. You don't have to do this, but I'm doing it to make it extra crisp. You know what I mean? So prime that. Now I'm doing my eyebrow, you know, normal, brushing it up, making it look good, filling it in, setting it. Now I'm priming my eye with this white primer from Smashbox and doing my concealer, cleaning up my brows, taking my NYX palette and starting off the rainbow eyeshadow look with yellow, orange, red, yes, pink, purple, all the colors of the rainbow. You feel me? Okay, that was a forced laugh. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, we're gonna apply rainbow glitter to the whole bottom lash line. So I'm gonna take some glitter glue, apply that to the brush that I'm using, dip it in the glitter, and just do the whole bottom part of my eye. Okay, so now we're going to line the top with white for like a cut crease type thing. I kind of messed it up. Don't talk about it. Okay, so now I'm concealing the bottom and setting that with some powder and highlight. Now we're drawing the Instagram square with some white gel eyeliner. This stuff is really great. It's actually really hard to get off, so use oil if you're gonna take that off when you're done. And then we're gonna draw the Instagram shapes and stuff. Yeah, and then fill in the heart. Okay. Now take off the tape. Now for some mascara and some false lashes. There we go. And that's the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below your favorite look. I will see you all in my next video, or you can click my previous video at the end. Bye!